Hawaii. I would like to introduce the Kansas 811-2-way smart switch to you. This is its packaging. Open it to see the complete 2-way switch, exquisite appearance and texture. The material of the switch is flame retardant. There is a visible silk screen on the back to guide. The wiring, the buttons have good resilience inside. There is a fixed screw. There is a capacitor, which is needed if there is no zero wire, and the manual. Its Wi-Fi version supports Smart Life app and Doodle Smart app. How do I replace a regular switch with a smart switch? This is a normal switch. Use a test pen to test the live wire. The one that makes a sound is the live wire, the other is the load wire. Be careful to turn off the main switch after testing. Don't operate with electricity. Sort out the wires. Inside the box, use the label to distinguish the wires for wiring when connecting the wires. It is the back of the corresponding fix. The label white is the zero wire, orange is the load wire. The black one is the measured fire wire. Orange is the load wire. Green is the ground wire. Use screws to fix the top cover. Installation is complete. Power on the switch to see the effect. Okay, it's done. For this 2-way switch, first long press the button. One of them is fine. Long press and wait for the light to start blinking. Then it will enter the matching state. Open the downloaded Smart Life app. Click a device. The smart switch is the wireless version. Select the icon of Wi-Fi switch. A prompt will appear to indicate whether the switch is blinking or not. Confirm and connect the 2.4G frequency Wi-Fi. Enter the password to connect. Wait for the search device to finish matching. Then it will be connected and ready to use. The switch has many functions to choose from. You can operate it by yourself when you need to experience it.